Hello everyone, here we have today we're going to show you how to code data in spss. Here we have a data view as well as variable view. If we have this kind of variables, age, sex, weight, height, marital status, as well as educational level. So go to variable view. Let us take a variable sex, which is a string, okay, which is a string. Under what value column we have what 3 dots here. Click on it, so we can write what 0 for female as well as 1 for what male. Okay, 1 for male. First, just remove the previous one. Here we have what under value we have 0 as well as what under label we have female. Yes, female. Then add 1 for male. Okay, 1 for male. Add it. So say okay. So we have what under missing and we have what nominal types of measures. Here we have what ordinal or nominal, which is what nominal, just naming it's male or female. Okay, this may be what right or left. For string is by default it's left. For numeric it's right. Okay, so don't worry about the alignment. A column, this is just the width of the column. If there is any missing, we can write around here. Another variable, let us come to marital status, which is what a string variable, or which is a categorical variable. Here we have a values. Press on the 3 dots. We have 0 for single, 1 for married, 2 for widow, as well as 3 for divorced. Just we write what 0 here under value and the label as singles. Okay, again what, then add it again what 1 under value, married under labels, then we can easily add it, and so on. Do for the rest. Okay, so go to data view. Here we have what 1 0 0 1 2, this kind of data. Okay, it's a numeric values 1 0 and 1s. So 1 represents what the male as well as 0 represents female. So by clicking on this menu, we can easily change what which one is male as well as which one is female, or the coding. So what the name of what the code is. Okay, here we have male, female. Okay, or what 1 0 0, as well as what here we have married, single, divorced, widows. Okay, and what 1 0 3 2. This is all about how to code data in spss. Thank you for watching.